everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Revolution gift set. It's huge. This has loads of makeup items in. You can see a little spoiler in the corner there. This Chocolate Revolution gift set was brought out around Christmas time last year, but it's still on sale now, so I thought I'd unbox it. This one, believe it or not, I've had it under my bed and I completely forgot I had it. I'm very excited to be having these things finally, and I have checked online. It is available on several different websites still. If you're looking for a huge I Heart Revolution gift set for Christmas, or just because you like their makeup, then this might be the one for you. I am uploading every day at the moment and I'm really enjoying it, so if you want to see more videos on makeup and beauty things, just girly things in general, or I Heart Revolution, then please subscribe because I'm uploading all the time. This is what the box looks like. On the top of it, it says I Heart Revolution Chocolate Revolution, and then it says milk chocolate at the bottom. This is a huge box. It's going to be able to store a lot of things in it, and it's very like high quality. It feels like it's very sturdy, if that makes sense. It's actually popping open at the moment because there's so much stuff in it. But that is the box. Let's look inside. When you take the lid off, you've got the first two items here, which I'm so excited about. There was a bit of cardboard holding that in. It just fell on the floor. That's that story, right? The first item we've got is the chocolate milk fixing spray. Is this going to smell like chocolate? It's in quite a big bottle as well. This is 100 millilitres, which is quite a large amount for a gift set. Normally they're quite smaller than that, but that looks really nice. I'm going to give it a sniff. No, that literally, it smells of chocolate. It genuinely smells of chocolate. Not everybody will like that, but I mean, if you're getting a chocolate gift set, I'm taking a lot of these items are going to be scented like chocolate then, because it does say milk chocolate on the front. This is going to be exciting. I'm going to love this. I will pop this one in my little makeup filming trolley just so it's next to my filming area so I can grab it, but very excited about that. The next item on the top of the gift set is this huge chocolate bar palette. It says Chocolate Revolution and it's got a big lump of chocolate over here. I really like it. It's very good quality cardboard. It says the Chocoholic palette on the back, so this is what it looks like. Really does feel quite sturdy. I will give it a go and see what it's like quality wise. I have seen a couple of YouTube videos on this in the past, so I'll be interested to give it a go myself and see what I think. When you open it up, you've got a absolutely huge palette. You've got a full size palette size mirror, and then the eyeshadow palette itself has got a very interesting selection of colours. I wasn't expecting to see this, but I have to say I'm very pleasantly surprised. A couple of the colours are reminded me of dairy milk colours, and then obviously you've got the chocolate colours in there as well. And you've got a lot of Christmas party vibes in here, so I'm very excited about that. I think they do look very cute overall, and I'm excited to give them a go. I'm definitely liking the look of this one down here, so I'm just going to do a light swatch and see. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And it matches my top. That is a little sneak peek of what the colours look like, and oh my goodness, that is legit one of the favourite shades I've ever seen in an eyeshadow. It is so pretty and shimmery and lilac. I love it. I am going to see if this smells of chocolate. I think it does. I think that smells of chocolate too. That's very exciting. That's the Chocoholic eyeshadow palette. I don't think I've got any eyeshadow palettes from I Heart Revolution that are that size as well, so that's interesting. This is a lot of products. Like, for one gift set, I'm over the moon with that. There's a lot of palettes, a lot of lip stuff. This lipstick, oh my goodness. I'm going to go with this first. That is an I Heart Revolution chocolate lip gloss, and it's in the shade Berry, it says on the end there. This is the most gorgeous pink. I'm going to swatch it on my hand now, and it smells of chocolate. I'm a big fan of the I Heart Revolution chocolate lip glosses. I have loads over there and I've got a few over here too. I really, really love their formula. I think they're amazing. It's coming off as a sort of clear lip gloss, but it's got a very pinky tint in the tube, so I'm very confused. It smells of chocolate, it's amazing. But yeah, I don't even think you can see that. You can see the little glint, it's just to the left-hand side of this lip gloss here. It has got a pink tint to it, but I'd say it's more sheer. I'm gonna pop some on anyway. I kind of wish it had pigment in it, because I'm not sure why it doesn't when you pop it on your skin, but we'll see. Again, it's got the really nice texture of the chocolate lip glosses. I absolutely love these and I'm very happy to have this in my collection. Just wish it had the pink tint to it. Gonna go with the palette next. This looks like a face palette. This is a hot chocolate contour palette. It's a mini one, really nice design. Actually looks like a chocolate bar for once rather than neon colours, but I really like that. Inside, you've got the full size palette size mirror. Then you've got the drip effect contour shades here. This does look really nice. I do actually have a little highlighter one here. I'll just show it you now. I have that one, which kind of reminded me of the other set to this, so maybe these are sort of part of the same collection. I'll just show you this one now. This is the Light and Glow one. That's what the highlighter one looks like that I already had in my collection. And then the Hot Chocolate Contour palette looks like that. I definitely feel like they're from the same collection. That does look really nice. I'm going to give it a swatch now. That one actually looks like a really good shade for me personally, but I think that one is definitely a bit on the dark side. I don't know. I might be able to make something work somewhere along the way, but if not, you can always use them as eyeshadows anyway. But that's a really nice little palette for the collection. I literally wipe everything on my leggings. It's a mess. Ooh, right. The next thing, I'm going to go in with the mirror because a lot of people don't like them. I actually love them. I use one for my little mirror in my videos, and then I've got a couple over here. I've got one in handbags that I use as well. I have got quite a collection of them, but I really like them. This is what the mirrors look like. This is the one that I've had a while just because I'm going to leave that other one in the plastic, but they're just this sort of drip effect I Hot Revolution mirror. Really lightweight, really easy to hold, and a very good quality mirror on the other side as well. But I'm happy to have another one of these. I think they're very useful. There's literally 4 more palettes in here. This box is so good. I'm going to go in with another mini one. This one's called Champagne Truffle. It looks like this. I think it looks like a highlighter palette. I'm going to have a look at it now. It looks very caramelly, and that would go with the name Truffle, so that makes sense. That is so sparkly. I can't cope. Again, it's got a mirror in the little palette as well, and you've got the drip effect. These highlighters look crazy. I'm going to give them a go. Wow. Oh my goodness, those are lovely. I can definitely see myself dipping into that one, and honestly these could both make really nice eyeshadows or inner corner highlights as well. Definitely feel like I'll get a lot of use out of this. I do really enjoy gold tone highlighters now. I'm not sure if it's because I'm blonde now-ish. I'm kind of half brunette, half blonde, but I feel like gold highlighter looks really good with blonde, so I'm very happy to have this. I think quite a few of these things, if not all of them, are actually limited edition to the gift set, so I think that's quite a cool way of getting extras in your collection. The next thing I'm going to look at is a huge palette. This one has been staring at me. No idea what to expect inside, but I love the packaging. It's called Berry Meringue. I do see that with the packaging. Really nice pink. Very nice pink actually. And it's just, again, one of their chocolate bar palettes. Inside, right, okay, I absolutely love this. Inside, obviously, you've got the mirror, and then you've got all the shades. Oh my goodness. Look at the pinks in this. I'm over the moon with that. I think those shades, I'm so happy. These look beautiful. Pinks and lilacs are definitely my thing, as you can tell by my background and my top today. Absolutely love this. Definitely like the look of that little shade here. I think it would be good for an inner corner or brow bone highlight. And then you've just got a lovely variety of shades in here. Definitely carrying on the chocolate theme, but also got a bit of pink and purple sparkly, which I'm very happy about. And again, it smells like chocolate. That was the Berry Meringue eyeshadow palette. Next up, we've got some brushes. It does make sense to put brushes in here, so I'm very happy about this. They do come in a little protective film, so I'm going to get them out now to show you. These are the little eyeshadow brush sets. I really like these. I do have a couple of other sets like this from other gift sets last year, and they are absolutely lovely to have. Really nice little size, very lightweight and very fluffy as well. I do really like this one. I use this one quite a lot from my other set. Very happy to have these, and think they're very good to put them inside the gift set as well, because it means you've got a lovely set of brushes to use with your new palettes. Next up, I'm going to go with another lip product. So this is another chocolate lip gloss. It's in the shade Ginger. This is what the shade looks like. I'm not sure if I've got one of these before. It's a very sort of cool toned chocolate colour. Kind of looks a bit plummy, so I'm going to pop it on my hand now just to see. I absolutely love the formula with these chocolate lip glosses. That colour is actually really lovely. Definitely feel like I could wear this daily and even to work, because it's one of those colours. It's one of those colours that you could just get away with and it would look really natural. I'm really happy with that. If you're looking to try lip glosses from Hot Revolution but don't know which ones to try, I do recommend you have a look at the chocolate lip glosses, because it's a really good sort of representation of what Hot Revolution is like. They're just really fun and very nice products. I've got 2 palettes left in here, a tiny baby lilac one and then a big one. I'm going to have a look at the big one first. The big one kind of looks chocolate orangey. It looks a bit Halloweeny. I really like the look of it. This one is the Ginger and Orange chocolate bar palette. Again, you've got the chocolate themed packaging, which is really sturdy, good to pop in your bag if you want to use it for a travel palette. Ooh, inside you've got the mirror as usual, and then you've got some very autumnal shades here. Honestly, this palette reminds me of a pumpkin. It just reminds me of Halloween. These are very nice shades. It does give me chocolate orange vibes, but I know they did do an actual chocolate orange palette. I don't know what the shades look like. I should imagine they look something like this. I could be completely wrong. But this is a very good palette for autumn. Definitely will pop that in my little autumn drawer. And I think these are going to be really nice to test out, so I'm excited. We've got literally, I think, the 7 palettes. Okay, the 6. Still, that was a lot of palettes for a gift set. I'm so over the moon. This next one, honestly, is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. It is a Violet Crush little tiny mini palette. It's got 8 pans in it, and honestly, the colours of this, I've never seen an eyeshadow palette so cute. It's definitely going next to my filming setup so I can see it and enjoy it and use it. That is perfect. I'm so excited. Look at this. I'm definitely going to do an individual video with this one and probably most of the others as well, if not all. Please subscribe if you want to see that. Honestly, this excites me so much. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm dying to just stick my finger in this shade here. Oh my goodness. Absolutely yes. Just yes, all over. I'm going to be doing a testing video. I can't wait. I want to just stick my finger in them all. Oh my goodness. Right, okay, I'm so excited for a video on this. I'm smiling like crazy behind this camera. Oh my goodness. That is the Violet Crush palette. Honestly, favourite thing I've ever seen ever. That was so cute. And I think in this gift set, you've had such a wide variety of colours. There's something for everyone. I really like that. That was everything in the iHeart Revolution Chocolate Revolution gift set. I'm just going to recap everything now. We have the Champagne Truffle Mini Highlighter palette. The chocolate milk fixing spray, which smells amazing, definitely like a dairy milk. The iHeart Revolution mirror. The Berry Meringue chocolate bar palette. I think genuinely this is my favourite chocolate bar palette ever. The mini hot chocolate contour palette. The chocolate lip gloss in the shade Ginger. The 3-piece eye brush set, which I think is really useful and a very good thing to pop in this gift set, especially with so many palettes. The Ginger and Orange chocolate bar palette, which has a load of very autumnal shades in, which I'm very excited about. The chocolate lip gloss in the shade Berry. And one of my personal favourites, the Violet Crush mini eyeshadow palette. And finally, the Chocoholic palette, which is this huge 35 pan palette. I definitely don't have one from iHeart Revolution this size, but I'm definitely excited to give it a go. These are what the shades look like, just to recap. A load of purpley shades, lots of chocolate shades, and just some bright colours, which looks very fun to use. That was everything in the Chocolate Revolution gift set. Hands down, I think this is probably the favourite gift set I've ever unboxed from iHeart Revolution. Genuinely, it's got so many fun products in there. There's a little bit of everything. And looking at everything in here, who would not be excited to open this? There's just so much stuff in here. There's eyeshadow palettes, face palettes, you've got your setting spray, your brushes, your mirror, lip glosses, just literally there's everything in here. I'm just so excited. As this was one of last year's iHeart Revolution Christmas gift sets, they probably will have a discount on it now, and there's so many great products in here. Whether you want to get it for yourself to enjoy the iHeart products or to give it to somebody, I think anybody who gets this would be overjoyed. It's lovely. Thank you so much for watching. I will be unboxing lots of other iHeart Revolution gift sets. I have done that already. I've done quite a few so far. I'm definitely excited to be doing testing videos on these products in here, so if you want to see that, then please subscribe. I am uploading all the time now. Please switch on your notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, because I have been doing that daily recently and I'm really enjoying it. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at Zoey Glitter, Zoey with a Y, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!